Hi guys, it's me and Sky. Remember? Okay. Today we're going to play 3, 2, 1, go. Badminton! Okay.
Okay, now this is called badminton. You know, guys, right? Do you have this on your country? Comment if you have it.
Of course they have it.
Not everyone, you know that.
Not everyone, but every country has it, of course. Who would not play badminton?
No, if you're got, I don't know. Okay, now
Wait lang!
get her hair tied. Okay, guys, comment
But it's
if you want to meet us.
Mama, you're kidnapper! Nag-kidnap sa atin! It's your fault if we got kidnapped. Comment badminton
If you like
comment
us.
it badminton emoji if you think we're cool. It's badminton. Okay, let's start.
Okay, guys,
Which
today
one's
we're
mine?
gonna start this one.
This one's mine.
The pink one.
Remove this team.
Okay, guys, comment a badminton emoji. Okay, remember what you said. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Move.
I think the camera.
This game.
Layo pa tayo dito tayo. Para makita. Ayun.
Dito tayo mag-bet.
Kita na tayo. Kita tayo.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, go. So, everyone, today we're gonna... Okay. This is Miss Sky. If you're Team Sky or Team RK, then comment.
Wait. Comment.
Comment Team Sky if you're Team Sky. I'm Sky, okay? And comment Team RK
Excuse me. I bet they're
if
gonna
you're if you like RK more than
I
me.
bet they're gonna pick me because this is my account.
Yeah, but I have account too. Okay, guys, I'm gonna post later when I go back home because this is her house. I'm in her house right now. Because we're neighbors, you know that? Neighbors.
They know it. Okay.
Okay, now let's start.
Wait.
What is it?
Subscribe if you're Team RKM.
And like if you're Team Sky. And comment our name if you like us both. Comment Sky if you like me. And
Wala na.
RK if you like her more. And comment both if you like us. Okay, let's go.
I look black. Wait. Okay, why not? Go.
Okay, guys, are you excited?
Oo nga.
Okay, in
For
3,
Filipino, so like that.
3, 2, 1.
Like for part 2.
Ouch!
Like for part 2.
Like for part 2, I accidentally hit her head.
I mean, like it's a favorite.
Oh.
I'm so bad.
Body! It's gone! Oh my god, ouch.
Bro.
Hey! Shoot! Saan?
You know.
Okay, guys, now, bye-bye.